We found you guys the most incredible home in the heart of Charlotte. This house is fabulous. The design, the customization here is just unheard of at this price point. You can really tell when a home is designed by an architect and a designer versus just built by a builder. And you'll absolutely see what I mean when you see the detail here. So we're gonna check out this house, and then afterwards I'm gonna show you where we are, because the location really does make this home. Come on in. So right when you walk in, you have this incredible living room here. So you've got a really pretty light and airy floor plan. There are so many windows in this house. You have this little enclave here, so you're not walking right into the main living area. And look what I mean about the detail in this house. Every single closet is gonna have wooden shelves. You've got these beautiful paneled doors. They're really thick with the black matte hardware. It's just so much detail. And I love these windows too. Just such good placement. So when we walk into our living room here, one of the big focal points of this room is this incredible fireplace. And this millwork is insane. So it's not just some basic builder grade fireplace. You can look at the curvatures, the different molding. It's so well done. You've got the two high set windows on either side of the fireplace. It just adds so much to the space. And your fireplace here is gonna be a gas fireplace, which is awesome because all you do is you just flip this switch here and it turns on like that. It's really awesome. So in here we've got all throughout the main level, you've got a honey oak white flooring. It's gonna extend upstairs as well. And then one thing that I love, and this is something kind of like a little tail sign you're in a really well-built home, is just the little details, like the outlets here are horizontal in the molding, and you've got that really nice thick molding. And I will tell you, this is such better molding because it's so much easier to clean than the ones that are really detailed and rigid. But if you come in here to the living room or dining room, what is so beautiful about this space is this incredible window bank. Look how gorgeous. You've got the transom windows with the grills, you've got the molding around it. They're really tall, they're almost to the ceiling here. So it's just so pretty. This light fixture just adds so much personality. It makes it really fun. I've never seen a light fixture like that. It's so cute. And even the staircase here is just designed so well that it adds just a really nice visual element to the dining room. You've got the under tread lights, you've got the wood tread, just the curvature with the black iron railing, just so much detail. And I'll show you what I mean too about every single closet. So not only is there just a lot of closet space here, you have a lot of shelving in it too. It's just so usable. And what I love, the star of the show, is this kitchen. It is so gorgeous. So you've got this really pretty kind of green gray cabinetry here. You've got really thick cabinets. They go all the way to the ceiling. You've got the really pretty molding around, and the range is stunning. So you have this wood grain range here. And if you look at the two-tone island, it actually is the same type of wood. And it just really pulls the space together. It makes it feel a lot more design forward. But you've got your built-in microwave here. You've got really cute hardware. I love that brass look. And I also love that these are actually pull out too. And then all of your appliances are the Cafe series, so it is a higher end appliance package. You've got the matte black. It's just so pretty. And then you've got the cabinetry built around. And really though, what the star of the show is here is this area. So you can be washing your dishes, and you've got these three big, beautiful windows. It just adds so much light to the space. And you've got your deep porcelain apron sink. And if you look at the tile, it's the white picket tile, and it goes all the way up to the ceiling. So just so much detail in this plan. And then your pantry over here. So again, more built-ins. It's just such a great use of space. And I also love that over here you have these high set windows, because if you do need some more cabinetry space, you can put a little credenza here. It's just really great use of space. And then over here, we've got this lovely mudroom. So you have more built-ins over here, and just look at the wood and just how cute that is. You got a little bench, And then right over here, you have the half bath. So something cool about this house is that every bathroom looks completely different and has a lot of really cool elements. This one's gonna be the more basic one. It's, you know, just the half bath, but the other ones are really cool. I'm excited to show them to you guys. We'll go outside. This is another really fun feature here. So this builder did a really good job with the hardscaping. So you've got this really pretty curved patio here. You've got your little trees, and those are cypress trees, so they're gonna grow pretty tall, so you'll have some more privacy. And one thing that's really cool, one of the many things that's really cool about this house is it actually has a detached garage. So that's not really common when you're this close to the city. Garages are actually very rare, but this builder did do a detached garage. So you've got this nice little side loading door here. You've got some really pretty lighting fixtures. And if you look at the front, it is so beautiful. This nice driveway here. You've got some street parking, but look how pretty that door is. You've got the carriage style wood door, and then above it, you have the brass lighting. It's just such a cute little touch. And then as we make our way back inside, another thing I want to point out is this house isn't just well designed in terms of, you know, the cosmetics. It's actually functionally designed really well. So you've got a tankless water heater here. Your HVAC system is a Train, which is really good. And you definitely want it on these hot August Carolina days. So not only do you get the benefits of just a really pretty house, you get the benefits of a really functional house. So we'll make our way to the second floor. And another thing about this floor plan, so this is a shotgun plan. And what I love about it is no matter where you're sitting, you're just gonna have a really visually appealing area because it's just so pretty. Every single corner of this house is just so nice. But let's check out upstairs. All right, so as we come upstairs here, we've got bedroom number 1. It's a pretty good sized bedroom. You've got some great big old windows here. But let me show you this bathroom. So this is guest bathroom number 2. You have that same wood tone as the dining room. And then if you look at the bathtub, how pretty is that tile? It goes all the way up to the ceiling. It's really cool kind of green gray. It's just so beautiful. You've got a porcelain tub, the hexagon tile. It's just so pretty. And I love like the kind of bluish veining in it. And then we'll make our way into the owner's suite. But before we head there, this is where your laundry room is gonna be. So you just have a nice little laundry closet. So you might wanna hang another shelf above there. I do like though when they don't put the shelf in the laundry closet because sometimes they hang it too low. So you could really get any kind of washer and dryer you want. You don't have to be so restrictive with the dimensions. And then as we make our way into the owner's suite, it is so light and airy. It's so pretty in here. So you've got the 2 windows right along each side of the bed. And then you have this incredible closet. Let's see if it works this time. Ah, it worked. So all of the closets are gonna have automatic lighting. And you also have these really nice built-ins. It's just such a great closet. You also have got your window here. It's just so lovely. Another thing to point out are these high-set windows. Really great because you can just put pretty much any kind of furniture here without blocking a lot of the lighting. It's just visually really appealing. You also have the tray ceiling here. And this bathroom is incredible. So you have the frameless shower. It has the herringbone tile all the way up to the ceiling. I love that it already has a shelf in here as well. And there's a lot of contrast in this bathroom. They did a really good job at, you know, high contrast, but very cohesive. The black countertops, a lot of cabinet space. Honestly, it's not a massive primary, but they made a really good use of space. But look at this soaking tub. I love that they did the rectangular shape instead of the oval. It just makes the space feel so clean and modern, not to mention this incredible wall of windows. It's just such a pretty bathtub. You also have your washroom back here. And also, I didn't even notice this. Look how cool the shower head is. So you've got not only the shower head, you've got the wand too, which is so nice. And then we'll make our way to the 3rd floor now. AC is working overtime. So when we make our way to the 3rd floor, I love that they extended the wrought iron because it gives the space, makes it feel a little bit bigger and just not so closed off. But you've got your bedroom number 3 here, which actually I would probably make this an office, to be fair. Maybe you could fit a twin bed in here, but it's just a smaller space. But you've got this really lovely bench. You've got a really cool light fixture here. So as we walk to our last bathroom here, you're gonna see it's also just designed really well. So you've got really pretty tile. You've got kind of like a dove gray blue cabinetry, and then the shower is beautiful. You have mosaic tile on the floor. You've got the vertical subway tile, and it has kind of that really pearl white undulated texture. And then our last room here is really big. So this could be a bedroom, it could also be a media room. And I love how the ceiling lines are, because you're really, you know, kind of built into the roof here. So it just gives the room so much more dimension. And you still have a lot of natural light. This doesn't feel like just an extra, you know, added on bonus room. It's just really well designed. So now let's talk about where we are. Actually, I'm gonna show you where we are. So we are 5 minutes away from the house. We are currently in NoDa. This is Charlotte's Arts District. So if you wanna live in the thick of the action, somewhere really social with a lot of entertainment, this area is prime. So you've got tons of restaurants, coffee shops, live music, festivals. There's even a pop-up farmer's market right behind us right now. So you will not be short on entertainment if you live in this area. And you're close to the light rail as well. So NoDa has a light rail stop. It'll get you to Uptown and maybe 2 stops. So this is a great area to live if you don't want to have to commute or pay for parking uptown. And what's really cool is if you go 8 minutes the other direction from the house, you'll be in Plaza Midwood. So Plaza Midwood is another major entertainment hub here in Charlotte. It's similar to NoDa in the fact that it's a bit eclectic and a bit artsy, but it is going to be a bit more polished and established. So you also have tons of restaurants there. You've got a lot of options for entertainment. So pretty much any direction you go from this house, you're going to be near so many conveniences. It's just a really fun place to live. And if you want to know more about each neighborhood, Plaza and NoDa, if you look in the description, I actually have videos on each neighborhood so you can get a bit of a deep dive on the location. So let's talk pricing. This home is currently listed at $765,000, which is a really incredible deal considering the location and just all of the nice custom details and solid functional options that come with the home. So if you want to schedule an in-person showing or if you have any questions about this house, do not hesitate to reach out. Here's all my information. It's also down in the description.